This is a point and figure chart. X's prices are up, O's prices are down. It's the NQH futures contract, a 5 by 3, 5 points on every single brick. Do you see the trades in here? Do you know how to trade this? This is a purely point and figure. The classic entries are black and white. Anybody and everybody who's been trained in point and figure will agree precisely where those entries are. But there's so much information here. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. Today is January 13th at 12:45. Let me show you something. We're going to turn on a customized study from Stock Market Caddy. This tells you the brick value. Each O, each X is worth $100. Edit, study. This next study, proprietary to Stock Market Caddy, created by us, is called the SMC Point and Figure Trend Text. This tells you dynamically whether or not we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. And point and figure is currently in an uptrend. We're not done. Edit study. SMC point and figure posture text. Let me turn this on. And we'll bring it right over here in the four corners. This tells you whether or not you are on offense or on defense. When we're in an uptrend and we're on offense, we want to be long. If we're on downtrend and on defense, we want to be short. It'll also show you, and we might see it before we're done, we can be on an uptrend and actually get a little dip, which it'll record. If it happens, it'll be done automatically by the computer. Edit study. SMC Divergence Indicator. And we'll bring this right here in the lower right hand corner. These automatically populate for our members in each corner. And we'll line them up here. Keep it we'll leave it right here. Keep it symmetrical. This tells us if there is any price divergence between momentum and the price action. Currently, there is no divergence between the momentum and the price action. Edit study. This is called the SMC GPS Near indicator. This actually shows us, we lost our other, we'll just get this set up here. And we'll bring into view our little tools here. Hold on a second. There we go. We got this properly scaled. This is a momentum indicator. When it is above 0, you will probably want to be going long. Right in here. That'd be a nice trade. When it is red, you want to be probably fading the short side. When it is yellow, you want to be careful. You could be in chop. This is proprietary to us. No, this is not a MACD. Now, these are indicators. These are studies. We also have strategies. This strategy, SMC Point and Figure Classic Package, this strategy will put you in and out, and it also has stops, trailing stops, profit targets. What does the performance characteristics look like? Now remember one thing as we show you this. What's happened in the past may or may not happen in the future. Profit factor 3.29, 3.14, 3.15. Now, am I guaranteed to make this in the future over the interval that this is set up on? No, I am not. Nor are our members. Strategies are a guide. They are a model. If we can just do 20, 30, 40, 50% of what the model does many, many times, it would be a very successful trading session, trading season. Indicators, strategies, radars, and the education are all included as a member at stockmarketcaddy.com. Everything. Updates included, new products, new indicators, new strategies for specific charts that maybe you want to trade: Rinko, line break, case bars, range bars, maybe even time bars. I'm Bagadon at stockmarketcaddy.com. If you're interested in what a membership entails at Stock Market Caddy, you are more than welcome to give me a call. 813-758-8263. We have think of it as both an educational opportunity and a trial opportunity, something we call the Q School, a 4-week program where we teach you the systems that we use and the approach that we take over 4 weeks. If you are on TradeStation, you will get a chance to evaluate and vet, trial, at no additional cost, many of the programs that we have. Not all of them, not possible, but many of them. You'll have a chance to kick the tires. As well, we get a chance to see what you can do. Do you have the patience? Do you have the discipline? Do you have the listening skills to become a professional trader? We don't accept everybody. And just because you take the Q School does not guarantee that we will welcome you at the end. If we think that you don't have the prerequisites, we will let you know. We're not going to pull any punches. We may have to tell you what we've told others in the past, not many, but some, that you need to practice. You need to work on patience. You need to work on your listening skills. You need to work on your discipline. And those folks are more than welcome to come back at a later date. We don't pull any punches. We do not make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We do not make specific recommendations how and what to set on as the criteria on these strategies. They come with variables, profit targets, stop losses, clocks, brick sizes. These are variables, and they can change your outcomes drastically, good or bad. And on top of that, the market is changing day to day. It is a moving target. Is it as difficult as hitting a missile with a bullet? No. It can be done. We do it day in and day out for ourselves. But it requires patience. It requires a discipline. And we're happy to share with you our approach. If you think you're ready, and you want to vet us and see what it's all about, the best place to start is by signing up as a monthly member, which will generate a welcoming video with passwords. You can go to the website and see what that entails. And then our Q School, a 4-week program. We're running them all the time. It is self-paced. There's a lot there. My phone number is 813-758-8263. You're welcome to call. And again, we don't pull any punches. Thanks.